Hi, how's everybody today? I want to share my favorite salad with you.
Curly kale, destemmed, washed, and chopped. Here are the ingredients for the dressing. It's nutritional yeast, hemp seeds, lemon juice, olive oil, and some salt. Squeeze the lemon juice and make sure there's no seeds. Add the hemp seeds, about 2 spoons. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. A little bit of salt. About tablespoon of nutritional yeast, which has B vitamins. Now let's mix everything together and let it sit to marinate for 10 minutes and then it's ready.
This kale salad is great for next day too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Next, I'm going to make a green smoothie. To have a smoothie a day, it's great. But to have a salad also, it's fantastic. Have a wonderful day.